Hello everyone, my name is Vadim Sherbakov and I'm a cityscape, architectural and landscape photographer, and this is my masterclass. Two years ago, I started to conduct individual masterclasses teaching time-blending photography and post-processing techniques. This masterclass will be helpful to both beginners and more advanced photographers who would like to improve on their shooting and post-processing skills. This is two-day, live, online, one-on-one masterclass where I teach how to shoot and post-process time-blending composite images. The course is divided into 2 days. On the first day, I will go through all my equipment, why I choose it and how do I use it. Then I will teach the time-blending shooting techniques from correct settings to the right time of the day. Second day is fully dedicated to post-processing. I will start from Adobe Lightroom, where I show you my method of choosing the right photos and adjust them before sending into the Photoshop. Then in Adobe Photoshop, I will teach, using my example, how to correctly combine time-blending photos into a single image from start to finish. If you're interested in my masterclass, please fill in the form on my website and I will contact you shortly. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon online.